guys, it's Mary. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a back to school look in 10 minutes or less. I actually finished this in 9 minutes and 56 seconds, so it's like exactly 10 minutes. I don't know about you guys, but for me, don't get up in time. I literally wait until the last possible second I can in order to be at school not super late. This is a look for if you literally only have like 10 or less minutes to get ready for school. So I hope you all enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on there, and let's just get on to the video. So I'll still be using my everyday brow product, which is the NYX Tame and Frame. But I'll just be applying my brows just a lot lighter than normal underneath and really just focusing on shaping them with the product and then just kind of blending them out. I'll still be cleaning up my brows with concealer using the Tarte Shape Tape. I'll be using the Morphe M432 brush, and I'll just be going underneath lightly. Now it's time for the face, and I will be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm going to be going light on the face, so I'll just be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Then I'll be using the Revolution Banana Baking Powder. I'm not going to be baking because I don't have time for that for school, usually in the morning, and applying it where I would normally bake, just to set that all. I'll be using the Morphe Bronzer Kit. Normally contour and then bronze, but it's a bronzer kit, so there's the bronzer and contour. I'm just putting the brush right in the middle to kind of contour and bronze at the same time, just to save time. And I'm using the Morphe E59 brush for that. And then I'll be using the Beach Cosmetics Floral Blush in the shade Caribbean Floral. Then I'll be using the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm putting this on my eyes first, and I'll be taking a flat brush and just using that in my inner corner and my brow bone to highlight. And I'll be using the lightest shade on the top right. For mascara, I will be using the Maybelline Lash Stiletto. For my lips, I'll be using the shade Kiki from the KKW collection by Kylie. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Like I said before, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.